Okay, so this is Nicola, who's just finished 3 intense days with Katy
Yeah.
at the Perm Makeup Training Academy. Now, Nicola did microblading a few years ago and has come and done the machine method for brows and lips. So today you've done lots of brows the last couple of days. We've also done lips today, and we've now sort of done 3 full days. So how has it been overall?
Yeah, well, really, really good. I really enjoyed the brow work because, like I say, I have a bit of a background in brows as well, so I'm excited to start that. Lips was really daunting, and I was like, oh my god, I don't know if I can do lips. But I've actually really enjoyed the lip treatments as well. Still a bit more nervous about that than anything, but yeah.
Well, I suppose it's natural because you've been doing microblading for brows for years.
Yeah.
And so it's quite a natural progression. To do the brows and machine method. Actually, in fact, just a few minutes ago, the first lip client rang up and said she's in love with them more and more every minute because apparently the colour's coming back even more. So yeah, just to let you know that feedback. Forgot to mention it. But in the meantime, you're just doing another lip client as well, weren't you?
Yeah.
So
quite different colours as well and everything. Yeah.
Brilliant.
Yeah, really nice.
So you've learnt a few lip techniques. You've got a few new skills to take back to the salon.
I know. Yes, I'm excited now. I can't wait to get started, really.
Excellent. And how have you sort of found the training style over the weeks? I know it's like 3 intense days because Kate always tries to mix it up a little bit with practical models and sort of computer work and that as well. So have you found that most of it's sunk in? Yeah,
actually. I found like, cause we've done lots of hands-on as well. I really enjoyed doing that. And then the other stuff, like especially because, like I say, I kind of knew a little bit about some of the treatment, that's just seemed to have gone in really well. But there are... I think sometimes when you do leave, she just asks me now any questions. I was like, I don't know. Give me a few days, I'll probably be ringing and going, hello.
Yeah, exactly. And that, I suppose that's the thing, because the beauty of having the one-on-one training is because you've done training before, Kate would obviously change the course so you get much more practical work.
Yeah, it's been nice because at any point today you can just like jump in and go, hang on a minute, what about this? Or can I ask that? And yeah, it's been really, I've taken a lot from it.
Yeah. Excellent. And now you've got a nice trip back to Wales.
I know, yeah. Long journey now tonight.
Excellent. Well, we look forward to seeing how your first sort of models and case studies come through in the very near future. And we'll look forward to catching up with you very soon.
Thanks.
Brilliant. Cheers, Nicola.
Bye.